everyone and welcome back to Crystal Dream channel. Today's tutorial is about how to make this wonderful mosaic bracelet using the Tila and Superduo beads. I think the result is very beautiful, so I encourage all of you all to try making your own. So let's get started with the material we need. First, I want to remind you that all the materials is available on our shop www.crystaldream.es. So we need Tila 6 by 6 millimeters, then Superduo beads, 80 and 11 seeds, then scissors, a magnetic clasp, choosing the color that match with your best one, then Nova thread, gray color, needles, and so we are ready now to start. I already threaded the 2 meters of Nova thread in the needles, and I'm ready to start by inserting the needle on the right with 3 seeds and passing it inside the ring I have on the magnetic clasp. This clasp already are set with a ring, with a small ring that is very useful for our bracelet. Anyway, I will let you all the materials or the links to the materials in the description box below. So I have to do the same thing on the other side. So I had other 3 11 seeds. 11 you can choose between Miyuki or Matubo, or well, no, Matubo are not available in 11 but Miyuki or Preciosa or others as well. So then I pass the right thread inside the hole of the Tila bead, then the left thread inside another hole of another Tila bead, then I scroll them down, and then I pass both needles inside the 2 holes of a Superduo bead. In this way I will join both extremities together. Okay, now I pass the right one and the left one in 2 different Superduo beads. In this way I'm building something like an ornament for our bracelet, like a small flower. Then inside another Superduo again, passing both extremities inside the 2 holes. And now, as you can see, I have like something like a small flower here, but it's not finished yet. I choose these colors. I think I had the best match for my Tila beads. Anyway, you know that on our website crystaldream.es you can find a lot of Tila colors and Superduo colors. Superduo are available more than 200 colors. So I follow, inserting 2 different Superduo, 1 each extremity, and then a new one passing both tips, both extremities inside the 2 holes. And done. This is the result of my ornament. And then I will follow now inserted Tila beads. Basically, this is the first step to build the body of the bracelet. Now we have to set all the length of the bracelet for the whistle, for the size of the whistle that you need. And our work is by repeating all the time this step. Here I move forward. As you can see, I follow doing the same thing. As thread, I choose Nova thread because it's very strong. It's the strongest one in the market for beading. It is also impossible to cut with scissors. So I encourage all of you to try making, trying. Sorry. but I found a scissor that is able to cut them. Okay, here another ornament, and then la Superduo and 2 Tilas, one for each extremity. And here you are. So let me follow a little more until to get the length I need for the sides of my whistle. Here I got the length of my whistle, and now I'm going to set the latest part before set the closure. The closure is the other side of the magnetic clasp. If you are interested, is also available a kit set with all the parts to make your own, and you can find the link to it in the description box as well. So you will have all the materials, and basically you have only to follow this video tutorial to make your own. Now 3 11/0 seeds on the right, then I pass the needle inside the ring of the magnetic clasp, then another 3 in the other side. I scroll them down and down. So the only thing we have to do now is to sew the ring to the body of the bracelet. So by repassing both extremities inside the tila in the other side. So from the top toward the bottom. Here the other side as well, from the top towards the bottom. Here too. And now I set the latest part of my work, that is to introduce here, there, and here on between all the spaces between the Tila, Superduo, Superduo and Superduo, Superduo and Tila, and 80 seed bead. And you will see that 80 fit perfectly in this space, like this. I choose the silver one, you can choose silver color. I chose silver color because I think that best match for these colors I set with Superduo and Tila. Now I return back, filling all the gaps of the bracelet, all the spaces I have between Tilas and Superduos with this amazing A0 Miyuki or Matubo as well, A0 seed beads. So we return back, filling the gaps, and our mission now is to, apart filling the gaps, is to join both extremities together in the same point, at the same point, then by making a couple of knots, close our work. And here I'm returning back, almost finished. I moved forward only with one extremity. I said you to use 2 meters of Nova thread because I think that 1 meter is enough, you know, but 2 meters is better. It's better because you never know. You never know. And here I'm returning back. And once I get all the spaces filled, I join both extremities, as I said you before. By a couple of knots, I finish this wonderful bracelet. And here you are. I return back, passing down these extremities, and then I join both extremities together. In this way I'm ready to make a couple of knots. A couple of overhand knots are enough to ensure our work. And then now I try only to hide a little the thread who left before cutting it. And here I want to show you the scissors that are able to cut this very strong thread. I tried with titanium, with stainless steel, but I found only these that they are short, are for sewing, and are very strong and able to cut the Nova thread. Nova thread is very strong, stronger than Fireline or other brands. And here you are, our wonderful bracelet. Remember there are a lot of colors in the market, and here another one that I made using gold color, and you can find your own best match. I encourage all of you to try making your own. Remember to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Happy beading and bye bye.